Click on the link below to get price. The Freego N5Pro electric dirt bike is a remarkable fusion of power, design, and functionality, catering to adults seeking an exhilarating off-road experience. With a robust mid-drive motor offering a peak power of 15,000 watts, this electric motorcycle delivers impressive acceleration and speed, reaching up to 62 miles per hour. Whether navigating rugged terrain or cruising on open trails, the N5Pro proves to be exceptionally versatile. One of the standout features of the N5Pro is its 72V 40AH battery, which provides a substantial range, allowing riders to cover significant distances without frequent recharges. The battery life is commendable, making it suitable for long rides or adventurous outings. Riders can expect a seamless blend of speed and endurance, crucial for those who relish exploring off-the-beaten-path tracks. The bike's frame and suspension system are designed for stability, featuring 19-inch front and 18 rear tires that enhance traction and handling on various surfaces. This design not only contributes to a smooth ride but also instills confidence when tackling challenging terrains. The mid-drive motor ensures a balanced weight distribution, improving maneuverability and responsiveness, traits that are essential for navigating tight turns or steep inclines. The Freego N5Pro also emphasizes rider comfort with an ergonomic seat and adjustable suspension, accommodating different heights and riding styles. Additionally, the inclusion of advanced safety features, such as hydraulic disc brakes and LED lighting, ensures that safety is a top priority, even during high-speed rides. However, potential buyers should be mindful of the bike's weight, as it can be cumbersome for some riders, especially during handling or storage. Despite this, the N5Pro electric dirt bike stands out in its category, providing a thrilling ride that combines the freedom of an electric vehicle with the ruggedness of dirt biking. For those seeking a high-performance electric motorcycle that doesn't compromise on power or durability, the Freego N5Pro is an excellent choice.